And we're back. This is game number 5 in this pressure-packed final of the Women's League. 3 months of dodgeball has come to this one pinnacle, this zenith of competition.
The apex, if you will, of dodgeball euphoria in Hong Kong. If you're a woman and you like dodgeball,
oh, and a slamming shot on number 16.
Oh, almost catch from 11, and she's out too. A big turn of events here, Johnny. 6 on 3.
On this first ball.
Mad Hop striking like a cobra, so quick.
An angry cobra with venom in its fangs and hate in its lungs.
Oh, some great protection offside out of Terrence. Did you see that? Pushing her back in. Team coach Terrence doing a great job. Quick eye right there.
Nice
awesome
work,
call.
Nice big throws by Poker Face, nailing 35 in the leg.
Okay, the ref calls number 15 out there. That's a good call.
1 on 5. Low key. Again,
I guess I'm not going to have to hit that ref with a face in the ball the next time I see him.
1 on 6.
Number 1, only 1 left.
It is 1 on 6, and she's out just like that. And that's how that game went.
All right, game 5 a little anticlimactic. You're hoping for a game 6, big game, 4v1.
I was hoping
Mad Hop's 9.
for a